Hello friends, good morning. Myself Dr. Deepti Jain. Today we will be going to discuss about advantages of normal delivery. There is lot many debate going on which is better, a normal delivery or a cesarean section. Every pregnant female is concerned about what is going to happen, a normal delivery or a C-section. Should I go for a normal delivery or should I go for a cesarean section? Not even the patient but the family members are also very much concerned. So today we are going to discuss what are the advantages of getting a normal delivery. So normal delivery, the foremost advantage is definitely since it is a natural normal process, so anything which is natural is always the best thing a female can have. So getting a normal delivery is definitely a best thing if everything is in control, everything is fine, normal labor is going on, the progress is growth, there is no risk factor, the heartbeat of the baby is good, there is normal amount of liquor around the baby is in the right position. Definitely normal delivery is the best thing a female can have. There are lot many added advantages of a normal delivery over the cesarean section, like there is definitely lesser hospital stay. If you are going to get a normal delivery, the hospital stay is usually between 1 to 2 days as compared to C-section, which is usually 3 days. If you are going to get a normal delivery, then definitely you are not going to suffer from the anesthesia related complications. Like anesthesia is mandatory in a case of cesarean section, we need to give a spinal anesthesia. While in a normal delivery, anesthesia is definitely not mandatory. So you are free from any anesthesia related complications in a normal delivery. Since we are not giving any cut over the abdominal area, so the scarring is also less. Although yes, we give an episiotomy cut, but that is usually not big and it is in the perineal area, not over the abdomen. The chances of bleeding is definitely more in the cesarean section. The normal delivery has lesser bleeding, that means you lose less blood if you are going for a normal delivery as compared to cesarean section. The chances of getting any infection after normal delivery is less as compared to cesarean section. In cesarean, the chances of getting post-operative infection is higher definitely as compared to normal delivery. In a normal delivery, the child, the fetus, the baby is going to have less of pulmonary complications because it will undergo through labor pains and it will pass through the vaginal area, so the baby will have stronger lungs. The possibility of getting any pulmonary infection in the child will be lesser than a case of normal delivery. The establishment of breastfeeding is definitely easier and earlier in case of a normal delivery. If you are going to for a cesarean section, then you may take 2 or 3 days in the establishment of breastfeeding, while in a case of normal delivery, within an hour or two, you may be comfortable to start a breastfeeding. And starting of lactation also starts earlier in the case of normal delivery. So friends, definitely normal delivery is the best thing a female can have. If the rest everything is fine, that means you do not have any risk factor, any complicating factor, then don't worry, need not to fear about a normal delivery. It's a normal natural process. Yes, some amount of pain is there in normal delivery, but don't worry for that. It is going to pay you in a long run because we are not doing any surgery in the abdomen. So in a long-term basis, any complicating factor like in a cesarean section, you may have a pain in abdomen in a long-term basis. Your future pregnancies may get affected because of cesarean section. Like if you do cesarean for the first time, then there is very high possibility the cesarean will be needed in the next time as well. There's almost a possibility of 90% that you are going to get a cesarean section in the next pregnancy as well. The chances of getting placental abnormalities, like if you have heard of regarding placenta previa, etc., uterine rupture, they are more in a case of cesarean section than normal delivery. If any further surgery is needed over the abdomen, then if you are case of previous normal delivery, then it is easier in your case as compared to someone who has previous cesarean sections, because the chances of getting adhesions, the things getting adherent to each other, are more in a case of cesarean section as compared to a normal delivery. So dear friends, if everything is fine, go ahead with a normal delivery. All the best. Thank you.